Hi, I am your virtual yoga instructor. I'm here to transform your life.
Yoga. Whenever we think about this ancient wisdom, all natural things come to our mind. Serene surrounding, mindful meditation, hasten healing, a guru, and a fit life in a traditional way. It seems a world apart from the realm of technology and artificial intelligence, doesn't it? But here we are in the 21st century, the era of technology, where AI has covered every domain, including yoga itself. And it seems fusion of yoga and AI is the future of fitness. Gone are the days of searching for perfect yoga guru. With AI, you have the freedom to practice at your own pace, whenever and wherever you choose. So let's take a look at AI options available today to enhance your yoga experience. Virtual instructors. Yes, you heard it right. AI-powered virtual instructors have the potential today to revolutionize the way yoga is learned and practiced. And today we have not one but multiple digital yogis that can not only guide you through virtual sessions but also offers real-time feedback on posture, alignment, breathing techniques like a human instructor would. Equipped with advanced AI algorithms, this yoga bot can customize your yoga practice based on your skill level, flexibility, and even your mood. From Surya Namaskar to body toner, from beginner's guide to core workout, it has customized classes for everyone. And not just this, virtual yoga instructors can tap into your mood and design the class as per your frame of mind. Feeling stressed? The virtual instructor will guide you through a series of calming poses and soothing mantras. Need an energy boost? Prepare for an energetic flow that matches your mental state. It's like having a personal therapist and yoga teacher all in one. So this was all about virtual instructor for professional yoga classes. Now let's take a look at more AI-powered options to practice yoga. ChatGPT. Yes, most of us are aware about the power of ChatGPT now. If you're a yoga practitioner and have even a little bit of knowledge about poses, asanas, then with the assistance of ChatGPT, you can now have a digital companion that can enrich and enhance your yoga journey. By describing your desired poses or asking questions about alignment, ChatGPT can offer real-time guidance and tailored instructions to help you find the proper form. So, on ChatGPT, you can just type whatever you want, a 30-minute session or a 1-hour session, you can get a proper classes on ChatGPT. Today, as technology continues to evolve, its integration into the world of yoga creates a delightful blend of tradition and innovation. From smart mats to virtual reality adventures, from AI gurus to meditation apps, technology adds a touch of smartness to the ancient practice of yoga. Technology today have transcended the boundaries of tradition and embraced the digital era. So, roll out your mats, fire up the technology with ancient wisdom and enjoy mind-bending, soul-soothing tech and yoga all together.